Okay, a few points on 33. I'll read the translation. The gopis are speaking to Krishna, replying to his rejection and all his discouraging words. They're saying expert transcendentalists, Kushala, they always direct their affection towards you because they recognize you as their true self and eternal beloved. So they're the Atma and then the Bandhur. You're myself and you're my best friend and beloved. What use do we have for anyone else? It's a false temporary representation of you, such as husbands, children, and relatives of ours, who simply give us arti dai, trouble. Therefore, O Parameshvara, O Aravinda, please grant us your mercy. Parameshvara Prasiddha. Please don't cut down Smachindya, Ashadritam. Please don't cut down our long-cherished desire to have your association.